In addition to bringing a music series with more eccentric differentiation, ZTE Mobile Indonesia also offers other smartphone options with overall features that are no less interesting. Through the presence of the ZTE Blade A55 series, consumers are given the choice of a large-screen smartphone with large memory at a very affordable price. Yes, the prices of the ZTE Blade A55 and the Nubia Music are indeed very close, but for a small price of 1 million, the difference of tens of thousands of rupiah can be the biggest deciding factor for consumers in Indonesia. ZTE itself is committed to presenting smartphones that are more relevant to the needs of the community, one of which includes providing a number of new entry-level options. The launch of ZTE's 2 latest smartphones is also a manifestation of the company's commitment to continue to innovate and bring technology closer to users. So, what are the advantages offered by the ZTE Blade A55? Not in the performance sector, of course, but appearing in an attractive design. Available in 3 different color options, the design of the ZTE Blade A55 is arguably very current. The rear body has a glass-like surface, with a large camera module that seems to have 4 different sensors. The sides of the device are also designed flat, and the brief impression when holding it feels quite solid and impressive, especially for its price class. In introducing this latest smartphone, Maya Arneldi, as PR manager of ZTE Mobile Indonesia, said that the latest million smartphone screen is equipped with various interesting advantages. In addition to its fairly wide dimensions at 6.75 inches, it also supports a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz in HD plus resolution, so that the content viewed and scrolled can look smoother. Not only that, the ZTE Blade A55 brings an interesting gimmick similar to the latest iPhone, namely through the presence of Live Island, an interactive capsule that can bring up notifications more seamlessly and allow instant interaction. This feature supports a number of special capabilities such as showing timer time, charging status, voice recording, music player, and more. In addition to integrating with notifications, the 8-megapixel front camera of the ZTE Blade A55 can also serve a dual purpose, namely as an alternative to screen locking, aka face unlock, paired with the fingerprint sensor integrated with the power button on the right side of the device, providing 2 more complete screen unlock options. In addition to its spacious screen, the ZTE Blade A55 is also equipped with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which can still be expanded using a micro SD card without taking up the second SIM card slot. The storage can also be used to expand the RAM capacity from the default 4 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes. This is crucial, considering that the ZTE Blade A55 carries a fairly old-school and simple chip, the Unisoc SC9863A. Other advantages of the ZTE Blade A55 are the large 5000 mAh battery capacity, as well as the dual 13-megapixel camera sensor setup on the back that has been equipped with AI for better details. For more durable use, the system on the smartphone has a special power saver mode. The price of the ZTE Blade A55 is priced a little more affordable than its brother, the Nubia Music. You can get it for 1,149,000 rupiah. But in the initial sales period, which began on September 5th to 7, 2024 yesterday, the price of the ZTE Blade A55 became more attractive, only 1,079,000 rupiah.